Hello students, welcome to the class. So students, today I am going to teach you all a very interesting method named as fruit basket method. So do you often get confused while adding the terms of an algebraic expression? Or do you find it difficult to add the terms of an expression? So this method is going to be very useful for you all. Okay. After learning this method, you will be able to easily add the terms of an expression. But before learning this method, please answer me one question. Suppose I have given you a basket which has a lot of fruits in it. This basket has some mangoes, some apples and some oranges. Now I have given you a task to count them and tell me that how many mangoes, how many apples and how many oranges are there in this basket. Now my question to you is, what will you do first to start this task? What will be your first step? Think about it and answer me in the comment section. So what will you do first? First you will segregate all the fruits, apples separately, mangoes separately and oranges separately. Now you can easily count and tell me that this basket contains these many apples, these many mangoes and these many oranges. Now what was the reason for segregating the fruits? Why did you first segregate them and then count them? So that's because you can only add apples to apples, oranges to oranges and mangoes to mangoes separately. Can you add one apple to one orange and say that these are two apples or two oranges? No. Can you add two mangoes and three oranges and say that these are five mangoes or five oranges? No, you can't say, because these fruits are of different categories. You have to separate them and count them separately. So after segregating the fruits, you can easily count them and say that this basket contains these many apples, these many mangoes and these many oranges. Okay. So don't you think this task was very easy? A child who has learned counting can also do this task easily, right? So why am I asking this to you? Because adding the terms of an algebraic expression is as easy as this task is if you can relate both of them. Believe me, it is very easy. Now let's see, here two expressions are given and you have to add them. Now assume these two expressions like a fruit basket and also remember the steps which you have followed while adding the fruits. Okay, so what was your first step while adding the fruits? First you have decided to segregate the fruits. Okay, so same thing you have to do here also. First you have to segregate the like terms. Now what are like terms? Like terms are those terms which have same variables. Okay. First you have to separate the like terms and then you have to add them. Like this. 3x. Now is there any other term containing x variable? Yes. This is that term. Okay. So write it here 2x. Next term 2y. Is there any other term containing the variable y? Yes, this 3y. Next is 6z. Is there any other term with z? Yes, this minus z. And 4. This is minus 4. Okay. Is there any other constant? No. Okay. Now we have segregated all the terms. All the terms are separated. All the like terms are separated. Okay. Now we have to add them. 3x plus 2x equals to 5x. Like we can say 3 apples and 2 apples equal to 5 apples. In the same way 3x and 2x are 5x. Okay. Next 2y plus 3y. As we can say that 2 mangoes plus 3 mangoes equals to 5 mangoes. In the same way 2y plus 3y equals to 5y. 6z minus z. If suppose we have 6 oranges and we have subtracted 1 orange from them, how much we are left with? We are left with 5 oranges. In the same way 6z minus z is 5z minus 4. Now all of these terms are of different variables. Okay. Now since they are of different variables, so we cannot add them further. Okay. So this is your answer. So this is the way you can add algebraic expression. So I hope you like this method, and if you find this video useful, then please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more such maths learning videos. Thanks for watching.